Hello everybody, it's Bill C back again, and every Tuesday I do a baseball break, more modern stuff, and today we have 5 of these hanger packs or value packs of 2022 Heritage Baseball. So we got 20 cards per pack, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 total cards in this break. Hoping for 1 or 2 chrome cards out of these, that'll be pretty nice. Let's see what we get. Alright, Alex Reyes, Krause, rookie pitchers, Sanchez, got Chapman, nice looking Clemente, that's pretty cool. Let's see that one. Scotty, there we go, Franco, haven't had him yet in Heritage, so nice to get that one. Let's see if we got a sleeve here for that. Let's see, can we get more than one Franco? Let's not get too greedy, I guess, but nice there. New Age Performers, Gray, rookie. Lance McClure's. Garcia. Alright, not a bad pack one with that Franco. No chrome yet. I don't know how hard it is going to be to get chrome in these value packs. A Quinn for my Reds. Nice action shot of Marte. Margot. John Donaldson. Dahlback. Long rookie. Chad Chisholm. Oh, what do we got here? Just a short print probably. I'll have to take a look at that one. Let's see on the back. Alright, I assume that is a short print. We'll have to look that one up. Backwards cards. Corbin, Gallo, and Chang. Do not know the short prints too much in Heritage. Alright, Gilbert, Castile, Harper. Ozero hits a 3-run home run. Cruz, O'Neill Cruz, nice. Not a bad rookie. Martinez, we'll see what he can do. Want to see. Oops. Gosman, Jared Wash, Matz, DJ Peters, Reyes, Buster Posey, home run leaders. Park rookie. Alright, 2 more packs. No chrome yet. See if we can hit another Wander. Juan Soto. Tucker Barnhart. Zach Wheeler. Batting leaders. Brandon Marsh rookie again, I believe. 2 of those. Bergman. Rogers. Swanson. Corey Dickerson. And Presley. Not too much in that one. Alright, last chance. Juan Soto again. King, Otani, Charlie Blackmon, Bo Bichette, DJ Stewart, Jordan Montgomery, Jose Siri, Clemente again. Alright, we got a second short print probably. Perez. That looks like 2 short prints. Trevor Rogers, Dozer, Nathan Lowe. Looks like no chrome. Alright, I did get a few other rookies, Wash rookies. I got the 1 Franco to make the break. O'Neill Cruz and a couple short prints. So, yeah, I probably won't open up too much more Heritage. I think I might have more blaster, or a couple more blasters open, but might just open those off camera or something like that. But I never do too well in retail and Heritage, but pretty happy with the Franco. At least I get that out of the way, so I don't have to worry about picking one up. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.